Testing of the simulation of space traveling. Right now, this will be the input for the both left and right joystick. When I come in close range, is true. I will enable the input by the X button. There it is. Testing left joystick. Getting the values between range -1 and 1, just working properly, with a scale of 0 point anti-decimals being quite sensitive. That's the idea. Second one, on the right side will be the reading of the right joystick. Perfect, it is working just fine. It's getting both the input from both of them and simultaneously. Let's say I'm going to be doing both of them into a different scale and then just ending by placing the input. Okay, it's able to move back again, and as you can see, some of the values remain. It will be until it's come back on range and then taking the current position of the joysticks. Right now, nothing moved. Let me just put in again. Next. Let's try again. As you can see, it's doing just fine.